Nelson Chamisa, a key figure in Zimbabwean politics, has finally broken his silence. After a long wait, he's ready to address the nation regarding the controversial 2023 general elections. Chamisa has announced that he's about to drop a special statement about the election resolutions. Why is this important, you ask? Imagine living in a country where the validity of elections, the very foundation of democracy, is continually questioned. That's the reality for many Zimbabweans, and they've been eagerly waiting for a way forward. During his tenure and even after his departure from the CCC, Chamisa faced significant challenges. We're talking about accusations of not having a plan and the massive backlash from political rivals. Not to mention the allegations of election theft and authoritarian tactics by the ruling party that have cast a long shadow over his political career. Occasional pause for impact. Chamisa's upcoming announcement isn't just a routine political statement, it's a beacon of hope for many. It represents a potential turning point where the voice of the opposition can lead to real change, or at least spark a significant conversation. He's calling for credible elections and a government that truly represents the will of the people. To all Zimbabweans, whether at home or in the diaspora, this is a moment to pay attention to. The outcomes of this announcement could reshape the political landscape of your country. It's about more than just politics, it's about the future of Zimbabwe itself. Stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay hopeful. Because in the world of politics, anything is possible, and every voice has the power to make a difference. Thanks for listening, and let's keep our eyes on what's next for Zimbabwe.